And now we've reached the exciting stage of adding the guttering to this side of the cabin, and the water will go into my 5,000 litre water tank there.
It's going to rain in about 2 days, so I've got to get it up.
Yeah, it's going to rain a lot for like a week.
Yeah, a week worth
at
of
least.
rain.
Do we
And
know
I
the
want
ending?
it,
Yeah, we do.
so they don't have to go into town and like pick up water in the tank.
You. Me, that's my job. My job.
So hopefully Karen did her last water run last night. Oh
Today.
no, today.
Today. So Hayden did a calculation on how much it's supposed to rain the next week from 2 days away.
Yeah.
And his calculation came up as 3,000 litres in a week.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. So we'll see how much we get.
It's like 15 loads in the ute with their little tank.
Yeah, be nice not to have to do that trip. Yeah, we're settling in, we're getting there. We still need to stain the outside, but with the rain coming, not sure if that's going to happen. And it's quite stinky, so I don't know if I want to be in.
Yes, it will happen tomorrow.
Oh really? Okay, so Hayden's got another very busy day tomorrow. By the way.
So to put the tank somewhere along that line.
Oh yeah. So I was slightly obsessed with not having white piping, which was a bit of a challenge. I ended up finding a place in Auckland and where that was affordable because everything was really expensive through the traditional hardware stores. We're now talking about the system to make sure that the water is clean that goes into the tank, and what happens if we have so much rain and it needs to overflow. It really is exciting getting this all sorted and starting to have rainwater in my tank that I feel like I got ages ago now. So we thought today was going to be a fine day, but it did start raining. Hayden was going to do probably 3 sides stained, but that's been put on hold when it started raining. The main thing really is to get the guttering ready for the next week of rain. That's more important, I guess. Staining the cabin, yeah, can be pushed back a month maybe. It's a bit stinky, so I don't want to be in there myself when it's been freshly stained. So it would have been amazing if this was a sunny day. Oh well.
Is this the birthing video?
Cozy in there?
Guess we start with a clean tank.
Yeah, yeah. Nice. Okay. Hayden went into town to get all the extra parts he needed for the first flush and all the extra parts, and then it's the weekend, only Mitre 10 was open and they didn't have all the options he needed, did they? So this is to start collecting water when it starts raining tonight, and yeah, I guess we'll finish it off in the future. Hayden's pretty good at like the plumbing side of things, and he seems to happily put together these crazy fixture combinations. So what does this one do?
So it's the main tap that I put in.
Yep.
And this one will split it.
So you can turn it on and off.
One will, it's the T-junction. It's better to put in something bigger to start with, because you can always go smaller but you can't go larger.
Not quite yet. Oh yeah. Ooh.
A bit.
A little. can hear it going in. I've picked the perfect day to move the caravan, haven't I? I'm just so impatient to properly move into our new cabin. It's not far. Cabin's there, caravan's right here, but it just needs to be a little bit closer. On days like this, you really don't want to walk between the two. Right
Can
angle?
you see the mat?
Yeah,
Hang on.
no, I can't see it. How close do I want to be to the mat? Something like that. No? So, shall I give it another go? Just don't want to drive off the edge. How far off am I? Right angle? I can't see anything.